Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Question. Today I will talk about Microsoft Copilot, what is Microsoft Copilot and how you can use Microsoft Copilot. So as per today's tutorial, what is Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is an AI assistant that is integrated into Microsoft 365 and other Microsoft apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook and Teams. Microsoft Copilot is designed to help users to be more productive, creative and efficient by summarizing email, generating content, analyzing data and more. There is a free version of Microsoft Copilot as well as paid subscription version called Microsoft Copilot Pro. You can use free version for your practice purpose. Then if you need it, you can buy Microsoft Copilot Pro. So Microsoft Copilot basically your everyday AI companion. Using Microsoft Copilot, we will try today for Java code writing, HTML code writing, YouTube video idea, and also YouTube video description writing. You can use anything, any purpose for Microsoft Copilot, like story writing, your email writing, whatever prompt you will give, Microsoft Copilot will give you the answer. In order to open Microsoft Copilot, you need to open any browser. I am opening Google Chrome. Then you need to go to bing.com. Once you are in bing.com, you will see over here there is a Copilot in the taskbar top one, and also after the search box there is a Copilot icon. You can click either one. So let me click over here and Microsoft Copilot will open. So our first question I'll ask for writing Java code. So can you please write Java method code? So this is my question. So it's a very simple question. You know there is a Java method. Can you please write Java method code? It my question. You can hit enter or you can submit over here. Microsoft Copilot will analyze your question, then it will start writing. First it is giving the definition, return type, whatever it is, the example, then it will write the code. It's a couple of code already written by the Copilot. So once it is finished, we'll analyze the code writing. So basically we only asked for method writing. It gave us all the method definition, return type, whatever needed. Thereafter this is only method name, parameter, then method body. It's a structure. Then it gives the example, public integer add number, integer a, integer b. It's a method add numbers. There is some integer sum a plus b and return sum. Then again I didn't even ask for calling that method and execute. Already you need a main method for running any Java code. So it has given the example for main method and calling that method for running purpose, and also whatever needed, it also give us the all example. That means code written exactly correct. Let me ask a second question. Can you please write basic HTML code? Here is question. You can hit enter or submit button. It will analyze in a second and it will start writing. It is the same thing. It has written the code and thereafter it is giving some overview and example, which tag means what, everything. Those who knows the HTML, you see the basic HTML code, it has written exactly perfect. There is no mistake. That means it is able to write Java code, it is able to write HTML code. Then let me ask next question. Can you please give me 5 video title idea about HTML? I am asking, can you please give me 5 YouTube video title idea about HTML. I need only HTML. Then hit enter or click submit. So within a second it will analyze your question, then it will start writing your answer. It has given 5 video title idea. So in this way, if you make any YouTube video, you can ask for the title idea, what title should be. Then you can create your video based on that title. And also there is another key point in YouTube video, which is YouTube video description. So you can, let me ask first question. Let's say you have a video with this title, then we will ask to write description for this title. So we can ask this way, can you please write YouTube video description for whatever title you copied. So hit enter or submit button. Yes, it is writing the video description. That means those type of, like a title, figure it out, writing the description, it will take you a lot of time. Or it is not only that, it also give you the hashtag too. So basically you don't, you might have little bit modified, but it's a all the work has been done by the AI, Microsoft Copilot. In this way, you can ask any questions, storytelling, email writing, anything you can ask Microsoft AI, and it will able to give you the answer. And within that answer, you can take it. It is just copy paste. It will save your time, and you can work perfectly as whatever needed. So basically, the way you will write the prompt, and AI will give you the answer based on your prompt. So if you need to ask anything, that question should be perfect, then you will get the perfect result. So HTML code, the way it has written, so it is perfectly written. In this way, you can ask more question about HTML, how to create a HTML tab, or how to create a HTML form. In this way, you can ask question, and you can start building your website by taking help of AI, and it will save you a lot of time. You don't need to write your code from scratch. So if you want to write your code from scratch to start point to end point, that will take huge time. Microsoft Copilot will save your time. So you can take advantage free version of Microsoft Copilot, and if needed, you can buy license for Microsoft Copilot Pro. So those who are new in Microsoft Copilot, this will give you the basic idea about Microsoft Copilot and how to use it. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.